dead black bird in a furnace. She had green eyes. That black bird which can no longer fly. She really did. Caught in an unintentional hell like Auschwitz. Claws and beak marks on her tin tomb. Any cry she possessed must have been fumed and baked away right soon. I cried as she fell out of my duct after stopping my furnace motor up. I wondered, little blackbird, how did you get all the way down here? Did you scream for help and yet I could not hear? Why would you go down to this dark place when you were once free to roam in open space? Oh, blackbird, what now may I do for you? How do I get through this guilt your poor flightless body has put me through? I am so sorry for what has happened to you. I wish I could have been what and when you needed so that I could have attempted your rescue. And as I stared at her, she so stiff and lying on the floor, I realized she had a name, forevermore. And her poor cast and burnt body spoke unto me, and she said, please write a poem to keep me alive. At least, my dear, temporally.
Where somebody waits for me, sugar sweet, so is he. By